What is support? Support is a price level on a chart where equilibrium is reached. In other words, it's the point where demand matches supply. When an asset's price falls, there comes a level where buyers find it attractive to step in and purchase shares. At this point, demand overwhelms supply, causing the price decline to halt and reverse. Support can be represented as a specific price level or a price zone on a chart. Essentially, it acts as a floor for the asset's price, preventing it from falling further. How does support work? Imagine an asset, such as a stock, experiencing a downtrend. As prices decrease due to excess supply, buyers who were waiting on the sidelines become interested. Eventually, demand increases to a level where it matches supply. This is the support level. At support, traders and investors are willing to buy, anticipating a reversal in the downtrend. Support areas can be identified using trend lines and moving averages on price charts. Support is where buyers step in, causing the price decline to stop. It's an area where demand overwhelms supply. Once support is breached, the asset's price may continue downward or find a new support level.